Get ready to be easily guided towards the shores of musical bliss with your very own Boat Rockers 330 ANC. To power on, press and hold the MFB for 3 seconds. A beep prompt will confirm the same. Also, red LED blinks to indicate the same. To pair with Bluetooth, follow these steps. After power on, the neckband will automatically enter in pairing mode. A beep prompt will confirm the same along with blue and red LED flashing alternatively to indicate the same. Open Bluetooth on your device and search for Rockers 330 ANC. Choose Rockers 330 ANC from the list of available devices to establish Bluetooth connectivity. Once successfully connected, the red LED flashes once every few seconds to indicate the same. Basic functions that you can perform with your Boat Rockers. Double press the MFB to switch on Crystal Bionic Sound to maximizes the sound performance. Double press the MFB again to switch off Crystal Bionic Sound and enter into battery saver mode. Single press the MFB to play pause music. Press the volume plus button step by step to increase the volume. A beep prompt will indicate maximum volume. Press the volume minus button step by step to decrease the volume. A beep will indicate minimum volume. To skip to the next track, press and hold the plus button for 2 seconds. To go back or to the previous track, press and hold the minus button for 2 seconds. Press the MFB once to answer an incoming call and once again to hang up an ongoing call. Double press the MFB during an incoming call to reject the call. Single press the ANC button to activate ANC mode to stay immersed in your music without any unwanted background noises. Single press the ANC button once again to switch to ambient mode that lets you stay away of your audible surroundings even during playbacks. Single press the ANC button again to switch to normal mode. Triple press the MFB to wake up Smart Voice Assistant. RENX Environmental Noise Cancellation Tech algorithm cancels out the background noise so that you can be heard crystal clear via voice calls. One need not activate ENX as the 4 mics are already equipped with the same and activated by default. When in pairing mode, press and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to clear the previous list of connected devices. The blue and red LED flashes rapidly to indicate the same. To charge your device, connect one end of the provided cable to your device, connect the other end to a computer wall adapter, power bank, etc. If you face any difficulty while operating or listening with your earphones, please clean your device. Use a cotton swab or a microfiber cloth to gently clean your rockers.